Hello everyone, I am your Chinese friend, Jin.AI. As a semi-youth who stutters even when speaking Mandarin, I hope to share my achievements across race and nationality. So, for the first time, I am trying to record an English tutorial. There are inevitably some grammatical, word choice, and subtitle errors. As long as it doesn't affect understanding, I hope you can give Jin.AI a little encouragement. Hello everyone. Today I will introduce my workflow. 请问 next one storyboard for you. This workflow I have submitted on the platform of runninghub. Runninghub is a workspace which I usually use to produce a workflow. I will put the register link at the introduction area of this video. Registering by my link, you can get 1000 RH points are used according the duration of running the whole process of a workflow. It will not cost any RH point if it went wrong. Let's continue. Before this class, I will leave my contact information first. If you want to discuss the technique of AIGC more deeply and you want to share your AIGC works, you can click this. You can open up this link to join my Telegram group for the Jin.AI. Let's begin our class. This workflow contains two parts. The first part is the beginning poster. It's usually used into broadcast your film or cartoon at the beginning of the film or cartoon. So I separate the opening poster into two parts. First, the description of the image. The second is the words on this image. For the description of the opening poster image, I suggest that you can describe the major character through the story. And for addition, you can describe some signable props. For the words on the image, I think that the focus theme major performed. We call it the title. Some other detailed information such as production group, we call it subtitle. This is the group of the opening poster. And you can select the ratio of the opening poster. It also determines all the storyboards ratio and size. The screen of our mobile or television now is usually 9 to 16 for vertical or 16 to 9 for horizontal. But not all the situations need to be full screen. You can determine with your recommend. Then I will talk importantly the storyboard description. I didn't take advantage the function of writing it by AI because I have tried it and what it finally outputs is strongly short compared to what I imagined. So I advise you to write the story about description by yourself. And every storyboard need to start with the next song. This can't be changed, and you must pay attention to the upper case character, lower case character, space, and the colon for English. And I don't suggest you to write too many storyboards, especially more than 30. It perhaps will be short. The last, whether you will translate all your descriptions into English. This depends that whether your AIGC work fits to global. This power, what is this power mainly effect? It doesn't take effect with the meaning understanding of your prompts. Only determines that the words on the poster subtitles and some other information, if you write in the storyboard, it will take effect. The language shown on every image, either opening poster and storyboard. So if your film or cartoon needs to face to the global or open up it, else you say your original language is false. Okay, I have introduced input part over. Next, I will introduce the output part. Contains opening poster and several storyboard images. It claims that the output items are still not satisfied what you imagined. This time, you can use the technique of migration or elimination of all things on the addition in multiple pictures according to the series of images, such as to resolve dislocation of the background characters graphs. Usually, Nano Banana or Demons 4 can resolve most of these situations. But if you don't want to cost more money for these API functions, even Arial is also fun. These are all what I want to say in this class. I will put the link of this workflow and the relative app as the area of introduction of this video. Class is over. Goodbye.